Hi everyone, welcome to my live at 5. Here I am again, Wednesday. As always, I'm just noticing that something hasn't come on correctly, so just hoping that you can hear me. So today we're going to talk about what is Data Cloud and who should learn it. I can't say that I am up together completely with Data Cloud, but I'm going to give you the information that I do have. Please feel free to book in some time with me where we can have a chat. Anything I don't know, I will absolutely take away for you and come back to you with some answers. And we can talk about where you are in your current career journey and where you plan to be and see if it's a great fit for you. So talking about Data Cloud, when we say about the particular training course that I'm talking about, the one that you would be doing with Supermums, we are proudly sponsored by Cube84. So thank you so much to our sponsors. And the course will start this coming September. I do have a great discount code to give you. For the first 10 people that enroll, they will have the opportunity of getting this discount. So towards the end of today's session, I will, of course, ensure that you have that information. So as I say always, it doesn't matter what you're looking to train in Salesforce, we are here to help and guide and support you. So if you're looking to train as an individual, then talk to me. If you're looking to train through your company as part of your CPD, perhaps, then book in some time with me, either with your, on your own to give your information back to the team, or of course you can come on and arrange for your line manager to come on also. Or of course I can have a conversation with you and then your line manager afterwards, if that works best, however it works best for you. And of course, if it's through a company, we can invoice them direct. So that's always good. Or of course, if you have a team of people that are looking to upskill or reskill in any Salesforce training, then please ask me. If you don't see it, it might be something that we can tailor specifically for B2B. So let me know about that. We have organizations already who have signed up with us for that very specific reason. You can either put people, if you've got a few people in your team that would like to learn, then you can put them through a public course. Or of course, if you have a team globally, then we'd be delighted to talk to you about training them as, maybe something a little bit more tailored. So, I'm here to support you. So please don't hesitate to get in contact. However, I can help. So if you would like as well, I will put my Calendly link in and my email address. So if you've got any questions, you can book in some time with me. Or of course, as I say, you can email me your questions. Don't forget though, one thing I will just say is that if you can't book in, don't let that put you off. Please do email me your questions. All of our codes do have deadlines on them, and quite often they are, for the first 10 people or something. So definitely, if you're thinking about doing this, the great thing with Data Cloud is at the moment the code I have is 50% off the price of the course. So it's worth you not waiting. If you want to sign up to this, get signed up straight away. As I say, you're welcome to drop me an email and then I can answer your questions quicker. And if it's something that I can help with, I can always give you a call. So Salesforce Data Cloud. So Salesforce Data Cloud, Supermums is a authorized Salesforce training provider, and we're proud to be offering the Discover Salesforce Data Cloud Fundamentals, which would get you to the point of SDC 101. As I said, sponsored by Cube84, so thank you to those. The course is designed for Salesforce administrators, developers, marketing cloud professionals, and business analysts who are looking into getting into data cloud. I would just add as well, and if you're marketing cloud, if you're from a marketing cloud background and you don't have, for example, Salesforce admin or data cloud, that is something that is going to be coming in. So when you think about marketing cloud growth, if you know what I'm talking about, that will require data cloud. So if that's you, then, you know, perhaps you might look to do our data cloud course, and then perhaps a short course. I understand that you only need aspects of admin, you know, as opposed to wanting to do, you know, the whole course and get your cert. But data cloud is definitely a really good credential to have, especially, as I say, if you're looking at that marketing cloud growth. So the benefits of learning data cloud, of course, as well as what I've just said, is data cloud puts all of the data to work for your customers. It's deeply embedded in Einstein One platform, which means any external data, lake or warehouse, can drive actions and workflows into your CRM. So, of course, if you're looking to help your team to achieve great results, then, of course, data cloud is going to be something that you're going to be interested in. It's more than just bringing data in together. So, you know, it's about bringing entire organizations together around the customer to improve experience and drive growth, which is obviously what we're all about. So when you think about this particular course, the Data Cloud course will enable you to navigate key data cloud features and functionalities, connect and ingest data into Data Cloud, harmonize data by mapping to Customer 360 data model, generate real-time data-driven insights into calculating and streaming insights, create data segments and actions in Data Cloud in order to target specific audiences. Again, that's another, you know, crossover with Marketing Cloud as well. And want to learn with training from authorized Salesforce training providers. So as you will know, the community with Supermums is huge. We have a great following. We have a lot of alumni that we meet over Teams, over Zoom, over chatter groups, Slack, WhatsApp groups. And our courses go on way beyond just doing training. I say just doing training lightly because, of course, through your training courses, you will have live sessions. You will have the support and guidance of not only Supermums, but also your community around you that are doing the same as you are. And when you go on following the course or following any of our courses, you still have the support of Supermums. So I know I say this week on week, but you will always be part of Supermums community and alumni. You will be able to, if you're doing a big project in work and you want some support and guidance, we quite often have people that are in some really great jobs and they still come on the chat group and say, I'm doing this project at work. Can somebody recommend the best way to do it, the best practice? So Supermums is a great way to learn in terms of the community and all of that support. So the Data Cloud SDC 101 course content includes an introduction to Salesforce Data Cloud. Everyone needs an introduction, of course. Data modeling overview, data preparation, data modeling with Salesforce Data Cloud, data ingestion, data harmonization, unified profiles, data-driven insights, data segmentation, and data action. So if you want to download the pack, then that would be great to do that. So download the pack, and that will give you the the information that you need. Of course, on our website you can now enroll, so you're able to save your seat and get that great 50% off if you're one of the first 10. So I wish you luck. There is a lot of interest, as I'm sure you can imagine. We have quite a lot of courses that kick off in September. Obviously, children go back to school, and of course everyone starts then their next segment of the year with their learning, whatever that may be. So we've got Data Cloud, as we're talking about. We've also got a new MuleSoft course. Quite a lot of people do seem to have signed up on the waitlist for both of those, so you are able to enroll into either now, so that's just worth knowing. We've also got an admin course coming up. We've got a consultancy course. We've got an AI course. We've got CRM analytics course. There are so many courses coming up, and of course all of those you can talk to me about. So we have our trainer, who is Jeremy Garcia. He is a certified data cloud consultant and instructor, and he's also great with Marketing Cloud as well. He's a Marketing Cloud expert. So again, with that crossover with Marketing Growth Cloud, that might be, he might be a great person to talk to and to learn from. So this particular training program includes virtual training to learn and work through and discover Salesforce Data Cloud fundamentals, the curriculum with Jeremy in preparation for the Data Cloud Consultant certification. The certificate, again, will help you to ensure that your CV and your resume and your LinkedIn profile is up together. We do have career coaching fortnightly that you can get involved in, and those have some great topics. Imposter syndrome, everyone likes to join. Updating your LinkedIn profile is always a great one as well. So you'd be able to join that, and of course, all of that cements your, your confidence and, your clarity around career progression as well. Because I would assume that a lot of people that are in today's session, this will be about career progression rather than starting out. Obviously, if you are someone that is starting out, this course wouldn't be for you, but we absolutely do have courses for beginners as well. So please book in some time and we can talk through that. I've already mentioned the amazing community, and I will just add that I was at London's Calling on Friday. So if you were there, great. Hi, I'm sure you recognize me from there. I think I spoke to just about everyone. In fact, if you're one of the people that were lucky enough to get away with not having a picture with me, it was a really great day. And I think World Tour is awesome. But I think with London's Calling, it was quite personalized, probably, I would say. But, as with all of these events, it's great to meet up with other Salesforce professionals and also to meet the community. And we always arrange a separate chat group where we can arrange where to meet up. So you're not on your own when you arrive at these events. As I say, as you've been to one, you soon know everyone. So it's really great. And we always have a picture opportunity as well with the alumni. So as you will probably know, employment readiness is always a big topic on people's lips. And we will, once you get certified within the ecosystem in whatever category you're in, then we can help you to secure that next role. Obviously, we will, there are no job guarantees. Of course, there isn't, as with anything you do, but we are here to help you succeed. So whatever you do within Supermums, we will absolutely be really thrilled for you once you get to where you want to be. And of course, every day's a school day. So once you've started learning, you will just continue forever. I'm sure of it. Now, this course is to get certified quickly. It's a 3-week course. So it means you can upskill either yourself individually, yourself as an employee or yourself as a team. You know, this course will enhance your capabilities and skills and ensure that you are able to get the certs that you need to be able to fly within your careers. So I'm going to drop some links into the chat. You're going to be able to benefit, as I said, from the 3 weeks training program. The next course date starts on the 18th of September. And of course, we're global. So, you know, across EMEA, Australia, New Zealand, USA, wherever you live, anywhere, we will absolutely be able to welcome you to a course. If you are unable to make a live session, then everything's recorded. You will have access to the portal where you can, you know, get in there and make it your own and start putting your picture on and making it all shiny and great for when you start in September. And, you know, I mean, not only you've got that 50% discount, which, you know, I think that is reason enough to get signed up straight away. But I think with anything, especially if you're like me, you know, as soon as you've signed up and you know you're going to be doing this, how exciting. You can start looking forward to it, you know, start doing a little bit of trailhead to play around. And, you know, and again, the people I'm talking to today are likely to already know what I'm talking about. So I'm not going to tell you. I'm not talking to beginners here. Once again, I will reiterate that if you are a beginner, then talk to me about a different course. I'm going to drop some links in and thank you once again to our sponsor Cube84 for this particular course. So let me just drop in the link for the 50% off. I mean, it's huge. So let me drop that in. The 50% off code is here. So you are welcome to pop that in once you get onto the website. And in fact, I will drop in the website. Let me just put this in first and then I'll find the website for you. So this is my Calendly link. This is the important one, so that you can book in some time with me. And I'm going to put in my email address because, as I said, please don't hang around if you're planning to do this. Don't wait because I don't want you to miss out. So let me just grab that 1 second. So this is my email address. So I'll pop that in as well. So hopefully that's that enables you to, as I say, if you need a proper chat, book in some time. And my only concern is at this late stage, because there's so much interest, you may struggle to get in with me in time. But like I say, just drop me an email and I would be delighted to answer any of your questions. And I am pretty much online checking my emails, you know, every hour of every day. So so don't feel like, oh no, it's 8 o'clock at night or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Don't worry about that. Just send me a message and I will keep a lookout and I will answer you. Because sometimes you go to do something and you think, right, okay, let's just ask a question first. And then you come and ask me the question and then you miss out on that first 10. And I don't want you to do that. So let me just find for you quickly. Here we go. So this is the data cloud. So on this link here, if you click on this link, it will take you straight in to all of the information I've given you today. So you'll be able to have a look and you know, a lot of people are visual learners and like to see things visually. I tend to just talk. So if you have a look on the website, you will see all of that. You'll see some nice videos and all of that on there. And anything you need to know from me, just ask me. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to support you. I'm here to guide you. And I'm here to talk to you about as I say, upskilling your team, or if it's, you know, if it's you yourself, you may be a consultant and you might want to upskill to further your career, then that's why I'm here. So, so I think I've dropped everything in there. As I say, don't hesitate to get in contact with me. I probably should put a link in there too. Well, I'll tell you what, if you go onto the website, you will absolutely see Cube 84 if you wanted to have a look at one of our sponsors. We've got some great sponsors out there. So, and I had the pleasure of meeting them at London's Calling. Anyway, I'm just talking now. So, so if you need me for anything, reach out to me. I am here. I am always here, and I'm always happy to help. So I'll see you next Wednesday when I think the topic is MuleSoft, and I may have someone with me. So so look out for that. Take care and have a good week, whatever you have planned. Take care. Bye.